Good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino Beer Review. Today, you have the Rhino. We're going to look at a beer. Today's beer came from my buddy Brian. Thank you very much, Brian. Beer I've never had before. It's one of Wayne Gretzky's beers, number 99. So this is the light session lager at 4% alcohol by volume. I would say that that's not necessarily a session lager. That's just a light lager. That's a Coors Light, a Bud Light, a Corona. Corona Light's like 3.8, not 4. Canadian Light, Blue Light. You get the drift. Now I know technically it would still be a session lager because a session lager is just a lager you can drink. Well, a beer that you could session on, which is drink a bunch of them. Yeah, sure, possibly, yeah. Ingredients: water, malted barley, hops, and yeast. Niagara-on-the-Lake, Ontario, Canada is where it is made. Every can proudly supports the Wayne Gretzky Foundation. Brewed with a winning finish in mind, a refreshing 4% alcohol session ale to keep things light, with a tropical aroma and a clean citrus finish. Niagara-on-the-Lake. Is this still brewed at the college? Because I know the rye lager, the first outing of the rye lager, was brewed at Niagara College. Yeah, I don't know. Information I don't know. Because Niagara-on-the-Lake, you have Silversmith, you have Niagara Brewing College, Niagara Teaching Brewery, Niagara College. You have Oast House. And you have, I can't even think of names right now. Fucking Exchange. So those are what you have in Niagara-on-the-Lake. So I would think the college, maybe it's moved on to Silversmith if it's an LCBO release now. But because of them all, I mean, in theory, Oast House probably has the most. Well, no, because Silversmith has expanded, and if the expansion is done now, they should be pretty large at this point in time. Crystal clear. Can you see my eyeball? Because I can see the camera. I can see myself in the camera. Bright white head. Nice snap, crackle, pop scent. I wouldn't say tropical aroma, but, well, maybe. Out of the glass, it kind of just smells like beer. It just has that maltiness and a little bit of hoppy bitterness. Out of the can, you do get a little orange. You do get a little, a little bit of lemon. It kind of smells tropical, citrusy-esque out of the can. Cheerio. Come up. Now, see, this is the thing I've always said, okay? A lot of breweries will make a light lager. A lot of craft breweries will make a light beer. And they'll have way too much flavor, or it won't just be light enough. This has a very nice, light mouthfeel. It does have a nice tropicalness to it. There is some orange. There is some, grapefruit, there is some mango, nice tropical notes. They're not overpowering, they're not overly hoppy, and there's just a nice bready biscuitiness that follows on the end after the hops, and a nice malty forefront. In all honesty, this is probably one Wayne Gretzky product I actually like. I've never liked any of his whiskeys I've tried. I've never liked his wine I've tried. I like this one. It drinks very, very nicely. Out of 10 on that? Out of 10 on that, easily a 7.5. I would buy that again. That's a very refreshing beer. Wayne Gretzky. Session lager. The great one. Doesn't always make great alcohol. But this one's pretty solid. Almost like a Yari Curry of beer. Yeah, pretty solid. Bye, guys.